So majority of you know that I ended up getting my hair done, and I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all with how my hair turned out or anything. About $350 max with my haircut. Mind you, the haircut is $65 and it starts at $220 for their hair transformation. I'm like, okay, so she comes back and the total is $420. So the total altogether for my hair to get done is $495. And I gave her additional 20% tip. And she says that I'm gonna get an itemized, see how much everything was. I look at it and I'm just like, whoa, why is there 6 additional bolts? And I look at my hair and I'm noticing hard lines. As you can see them throughout my hair, even at the top. And so I take pictures of it and I show her these hard lines throughout my hair on every part of my hair, not just the top, but everywhere.
Let's pause right there, because this situation is not just about the final result. This is about consultation, pricing transparency, and lack of accountability after the service. In this case, the client actually did everything right. She booked a consultation first, showed inspiration photos, and the stylist confirmed that the look was achievable. She was quoted around $350 max with a time frame of about 5 to 6 hours. On the day of the service, everything started as expected: foiling, sectioning, and lightening. But as the process went on, the stylist needed more product than expected. The service ended up using 5 bowls of lightener, and the price increased to about $495 plus tip. Now, here's where things start to shift. After the service was completed, the client didn't immediately notice the issue in the salon. But once she got home, she saw visible, harsh lines throughout her hair, meaning the blend was not properly done. These are what we call demarcation lines, and they should not be present in a professional color service, especially at that price point. She reached out to the stylist, showed photos, and asked for guidance. Instead of offering a correction, the stylist told her that the lines were normal. Then when the client tried to book a fix, she was told the stylist was unavailable, even though the booking system showed open availability. When she escalated the issue to the salon owner, there was still no resolution offered, no correction, no accountability, no follow-up, and that's where the real problem is. Now let's talk about how this should have been handled as a professional hairstylist. 1, consultation must match execution. If you approve a service during a consultation, you are responsible for accurately assessing the hair, estimating product and time correctly, and setting realistic expectations. If the process becomes more complex, that should be explained before continuing, not just added to the final bill. 2, blending is a non-negotiable skill. Harsh lines in color, especially with foils or lightening, mean improper sectioning, poor blending technique, or incomplete processing. A professional result should look seamless, not striped or patchy. 3, pricing transparency. If additional bowls or product are needed, communicate clearly in real time. Confirm the updated price. Give the client the option to continue. Clients should never feel surprised at checkout. 4, accountability after service. This is the biggest lesson. If a client comes back with a concern, you listen, you assess, you offer a solution. Even if it's not perfect, you try to make it right. Saying that's normal when the result is clearly not correct breaks trust immediately. 5, reputation over ego. In this industry, your reputation is everything. One situation like this can cost you referrals, repeat clients, and long-term growth. Accountability builds your brand. Avoidance destroys it. If you're a stylist who wants to level up your professionalism, pricing, and client experience, or a client who wants to know what salon standards should really look like, follow for more real salon education. And follow Stylist Facts industry as we produce the century's best hairstyles.